Shells I've never shot before. I got the old Doom, new Doom. All this stuff's from Red Apple. We'll start here first. This is going to shoot to the side, bub. Wow. How many was that? It was 5. Yep. These ones will go off to the left. I made these too. They're overloads. I made that one. I made this one too. Pretty decent. Salute. No. Last 2 are. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, we had the cops pull down on us down at the other side. All right, we're going to do this side first. Hell with it. We'll light them both. Just so the buzz. Because these are old Doom and new Doom. Wow. Beautiful red. Wow. Them Doom shells are awesome. That blue's sick. Nice shit.